Hi friends, today we are discussing about the force shifting theory. In this force shifting theory, here the first topic in our unit. So, what the force shifting theory tells us means, if suppose L of e power at into f of t equals to f bar of s minus a. In normal Laplace transform, what is the standard form is L of f of t equals to f bar of s. But in shifting theorem, what L of f e power at into f of t equals to f bar of, in the place of s we wrote s minus a. Okay, suppose in normal standard form, this is the standard form of L of t. Okay, this is the shifting theorem of f, first shifting theorem of L of t. Okay na, but we have the formulas in standard formulas we have, and the after first shifting theorem the formulas will change. In the place of s we wrote s minus a. So now we see what the difference of the after shifting theorem the formulas, and before the shifting theorem what the formulas. Okay, so let us see here. Before first shifting theorem the formulas we can wrote as L of Laplace transform of k equals to k by s. Okay, if the L of 1 equals to 1 by s, and then L of e power at equals to 1 by s minus a. If suppose L of e power minus a t equals to, in the place of 1 by s minus of minus a we keep, and then it will be become as 1 by s plus a because of e power minus a t here. Okay, then next L of sin h a t equals to a by s square minus a square, and then L of cos h a t equals to s by s square minus a square, and then L of sin a t equals to a by s square plus a square, and then L of cos a t equals to s by s square plus a square. Okay, next L of t equals to 1 by s square, and then L of t power n equals to n factorial by s power n plus 1. Next L of t power n equals to gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Why L of t power n has two solutions? Because these will be written as when n is a positive integer. These will be written as when n is a points or decimals. n ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు పాయింట్స్లో కానీ డెసిమల్స్లో ఉన్నాయంటే మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫార్ములాస్ ఆఫ్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మాట్ ఆఫ్ L of t. If suppose L of t is in the first shifting theory, the formulas will be changed like this. So we see what the formulas will look as after changing the first theorem. Suppose see as it is, only in the place of s we can written as 1 by s minus a. Okay, L of k equals to L of t into e power a t equals to L of t equals to s tends to s minus a. Okay, so because 1 by s minus a square. Okay na. సో నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకు దిస్ ఫార్ములా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద L of t formula. Suppose L of k equals to means L of k equals to we can written as k by s into a power a t, that will be written as e power a t into by s minus a. Okay, suppose L of t power n into e power at equals to this means L of t power n. Okay, s tends to s minus a. We have the formula in standard form. L of t power n equals to n factorial by s power n plus 1, where in the place of s we written as s minus a. So written same as it is, only to change s value, n factorial by s minus a whole power n plus 1. We know first shifting theorem means if it is in the form of e power at into ft, e power at it is given, then you have to mention that in the place of s we have to mention s minus a. Okay, same as it is L of e power at into sin h at. Okay na? In this L of sin h at ని ఇలాగే రాసి దీనికి వచ్చే ఫార్ములా జస్ట్ మనం s ప్లస్లో s మైనస్ ఏ పెట్టమని చెప్తున్నాడు. మనకు sin h atకి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? a బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో అది మనం ఇక్కడ ఇలానే రాసుకుందాం, a బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ minus a square, but you want to change s to s minus a, then it will be a by s minus a whole square minus a square. Next, as it is, we change we write only s in the place of s, we have to mention the s minus a as it is. Okay, s tends to s minus a, therefore a by s minus a whole square plus a square. Like this all formulas we can wrote. Okay, e power at into sin at, this equals to a by s minus a whole square plus not a by s minus a whole square plus a square. Okay, next L of e power at into cos at, then this will be called as the s minus a by s minus a whole square plus a square. Why here the s minus a? Because the formula of cos at equals to, cos at formula equals to s by s square plus a square. L of cos at equals to, so for that only we have to mention only in the place of s we wrote s minus a. Okay, next, so sin ht over cos hat over, and then e power at sin hbt also as it is. Suppose L of e power at into sin hbt, just we have to mention that b in the place of a we wrote the b, and here not the changing, s plus a whole square minus b square. In the place of cos, L of e power at into cos hbt also will be same as s plus a by s plus a whole square minus b square. Okay, why it will be the same? Plus is here the e power minus at, you have to the e s plus a. Okay, these will be the formulas of the after in the first shifting theorem. Okay, these will be the formulas of the standard formulas. First you have to learn the first formulas of the Laplace transform, you have to learn all this, and after knowing the first shifting theorem we can change easily what's the solution after using. Definitely it will be asking in 2 marks. Okay, write the first shifting theorem. Okay, now we can derivate the derivation of first shifting theorem. Okay,